Okay, so I stumbled across something on Kickstarter recently that genuinely stopped me in my tracks, and I could not scroll past it without doing a full deep dive, because what this team has pulled off is one of those ideas that once you see it you wonder why nobody built it sooner. This is the INKWON Tag, and it is being called the world's first 4-in-1 pocket creative studio, and I know that sounds like a big claim, but hear me out, because this little device does tattoo stickers, heat transfer printing, regular stickers, and HD image printing, all from one pocket-sized device. It is currently live on Kickstarter, where it has already blown past its funding goal, raising over $152,000 against a goal of just under $13,000. Early bird pricing starts at $169, and once you understand what this thing can do, that number looks really good really fast. If you are new here and you love discovering the coolest tech before everyone else, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and drop a like on this video. It means the world, and I am going to keep bringing you finds like this one, so let us get into it. So let me paint you a picture of what this thing actually does in real life, because the use cases here are genuinely wild. Imagine turning your living room into a temporary tattoo parlor for your kids on a weekend afternoon. Or you are running a small business at a local market and you need custom logo stickers on your packaging right then and there. Maybe you have got an old denim jacket that needs new life, or you are sitting in a coffee shop and you want to journal a fleeting memory in a way that feels physical and creative. The INKWON Tag handles all of that. One device for completely different output types, and it fits in your pocket. That combination simply does not exist anywhere else right now, and that is exactly why this campaign took off the way it did. The 4 modes are tattoo sticker printing, heat transfer printing for fabric and surfaces, regular sticker printing, and high-definition image output. Each one uses the same compact hardware, but with different paper types depending on what you want to create. The engineering team used advanced self-lubricating plastics for the internal gear sets, which reduces mechanical wear over time, so this is not a device that falls apart after a few months. They built it to last, and they built it to be low maintenance, and at this price point, that level of thought genuinely stands out. Now, real quick, if you have been watching and you have not subscribed yet, this is your reminder to hit that button, because I find stuff like this all the time and you do not want to be the last to know about it. The safety and materials side of this is worth talking about, because INKWON did not cut corners. Since this device is designed for direct skin contact through temporary tattoos, they certified their materials to EN 71-3, which is the EU Heavy Metal Safety Standard, and ASTM F963, which is the US Toy Safety Standard. They also comply with EU RoHS and REACH environmental standards. For a crowd-funded product being used by kids and families, that level of certification tells you this team is serious about doing this right. On the environmental and manufacturing side, their factory is ISO 14001 certified for environmental management and ISO 9001 certified for quality control. Packaging complies with WEE electronic recycling directives, and they have completed extended producer responsibility registrations in Germany, France, and Spain. For a Kickstarter launch, those are genuinely impressive credentials. Now let us talk about the campaign numbers, because they are telling. Over 660 backers have already jumped in, and the super early bird mega pack at $199 gets you the device, 2 ink cartridges, 2 of each paper type including tattoo sticker and heat transfer paper, plus a full DIY materials pack. That tier is limited with only 188 spots left out of 400. The basic pack starts at $169. Estimated delivery is August 2026, and they ship anywhere in the world. The creator behind this said something that stuck with me. They said the world does not need more products, it needs more creators who use them with purpose. And that philosophy comes through in what they built. This is not a gimmick. It is a genuinely versatile creative tool that lowers the barrier between having an idea and making it real in a physical, tangible way, whether that is a custom tag on your packaging, a design on your jacket, or a memory printed on a sticker in the moment you want to capture it. Under $200 during the early bird window, and already 12 times funded, the market has spoken pretty clearly on this one. If this video gave you something useful today, please drop a like and hit subscribe. It takes 1 second and helps this channel more than you know.